guys, welcome back. As you guys can see, I'm missing a lot of hair. Decided to cut my hair, but anywho, as you guys watched in that last video, we went through the process of adding a secondary fuel pump to the car. That happened towards the end of last season. It's starting to get a little nice out, so I figured I can go ahead and get some stuff done on the car. There's a lot of little boxes that I recently got. A lot of these are from Japan, so that means that we're gonna make some updates to the car. There's a couple things that I want to fix up on the car, including, you know, these moldings here, a lot of this stuff here, a lot of the OEM pieces that I've kind of neglected throughout the years. I also got all brand new brakes for the car, at least rotors, drilled and slotted rotors, and just a couple things that I want to make the car better. You know, I drive it as much as I can, and I also owe you guys a bunch of footage of me driving the car, doing you know, street hits, passes, all that other fun stuff. So let's pretty much get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and make some updates to the car, some minor things, nothing too crazy, just enough to get a little bit of content out for you guys. I've been kind of slacking. The DJ business has been really picking up, and nothing but work. So of course I got to prioritize, you know, man's got to eat. So we'll have some fun with this thing now. So hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so project number one out of the way. Car has new brakes, new rotors, new pads, and something that I've been kind of neglecting for a very long time is that Honda badge. So when I first got the car, it was Plastidip black. So I luckily found a lot of OEM JDM parts from Japan, and I'm super excited. As you guys can see, I have some Japanese writing there, straight from Honda, original parts. And in my hand, if I'm not mistaken, this is one of the emblems that I bought. Let me double check. Let me open this up really quick. Nope, this is something else that we're going to be working on. These are the door latches. Let me see, is it this one? No, not this package. Is it this package? I'm going through a bunch of boxes here. I'm one-handed, so I do apologize. Here they are. Okay. Nope. Oh, these is something else that I got. Brand new pedals. So we're going to be doing some of those too. All original from Japan, Honda. Luckily, there's still some folks out there that have some of these. So big shout out to everyone out in Japan that still has and is essentially hoarding a lot of these products. Because the Hondas here don't have them anymore. But here they are, original Honda badges. Nothing too crazy, honestly. Like I said, a lot of these little updates and changes that we're going to be making to the car are going to be very trivial, very minimal, nothing crazy. I mean, it's just badges, right? But I want to make the car look as good as possible. And throughout this video is going to be a lot of small updates. I have all new door moldings here. The window moldings or windshield moldings, like I mentioned, that I need a buddy of mine to come out here and help me with, because we might need to remove the windshield, and also the molding all around here. This looks in pretty good condition, but I got new ones, so why not put them on? So let's do this here and see if it changes the look of the car. Go ahead and put the new one in. Nice little push. There we go. Nice and fresh. Woo! That looks so good. So good. Back to OEM quality parts. Love it. I'm so glad that I can still get some of these in the States. So another piece that I'm going to be replacing are these, this rubber molding here and these caps. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And then we should be pretty good. And then I'll do the other side. And then I think it's the molding that goes around the trunk or the tailgate. So let's do that one. All right, so I got it on. This looks so much better. I really need to buy these brand new. If I can find them, I probably will, just so I can replace. I know this was new when I put the car together initially, so these are brand new. But man, that seal looks so good. They sell these too, brand new, but that means I have to take the hatch out, or the back window out. Really don't want to do that, but now to put this cover piece on and have it nice and flush again, we'll do the same thing to the other side. Figured I could do that off camera because my wife wants to get food. Hangry. She's getting hangry, so we'll get to doing this part now. Once again, more brand new OEM parts from Honda. I love Japan. I need to go to Japan. All right, let's see which one's which. And this is it. Perfect. And these are very small items that I feel are, I don't know, change the overall look of the car, and I'm happy with this right now. Trying to get this car back to its former glory. Probably closer to OEM status. Well, as OEM as I'm ever gonna get it, because this car's really never been OEM. Perfect. There we go. Right, that's much better. Nice. All right, there we go. So I was wondering. Thanks. I was wondering why I had such a little gap here. It looks like I just need to push this in more. But yeah, I mean, if we look at the old one, which is this one here, and compare it to this one seems way shinier. It just doesn't. I don't know. And I also had to fix this clip up here with hot glue, which is the reason why it kept popping out. As you can see, that's broken. So that looks way better now. Everything's nice and matte, the way that it should be. This little gap here, regardless, I mean, I don't have a real way of fixing it, unless if I pull this backwards, or pull this back this way, which I might do, just because. But yeah, so much better. All right, so one of the other things that we're going to be changing on the car is a couple more seals. So I did all these that you guys saw, a couple little small odds and ends, but now I want to change this seal here. When we painted the car, there's a little bit of, well, not when we painted the car, prior to Justin painting the car, it looks like the car when it was red was resprayed, which is why you see some red there, and this is really tough. So I got a new seal from Japan, which we're going to install. Alright, so full transparency. I was putting this wrong. I was putting this over here. This needs to go here. I looked at the old one, and everything seems to match this way, so I think I got it now. So I think it's kind of deceiving because of how this fits into place. but I looked at the video. When I took it off, this is definitely out here. We'll find out because it seals up against this piece right here. So I think now I got it. So now I can go ahead and put this on the right way. All right, and now the moment of truth. Does everything close again? I think I got everything out of here. So let's close her up. Ooh, nice and tight. There we go. Perfect. Perfect placement. Perfect placement over here. Not bad. Let's close the top. Nice and sealed. Perfect. All right, can't ask for anything better than that. Let me look at the gaps in here. There are some gaps, but I think they're good. So I think we're good with that part. I turned the heat off. I got really, really hot. So now I'm just gonna wait, and hopefully Chucky gets in here, and we can go ahead and do the front part and call it a day.
I like the car.
Thank you. It's not a bad little car.
I do like it.
You just don't think it'll go 140?
I think 100 grand is faster.
Really? You would say that, Chuck. You would. Look at you throwing crap on my floor, man.
Hey, I'm trying to figure out.
I'm joking. There's a bunch
Where's
of
the other two?
I already put them on. They're on here already. Probably. You said you can only put them in one way. Yeah, you did that.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be my window expert.
You guys fucking around.
Going to 140, that's what happens. This one flew off. Actually, this was the one that flew off. So it did one of these numbers and took everything with it. Yeah, because it has the piece there where it needs to go in. It's in there. We just need, oh, we don't even have to fillet it.
You don't have to flip, but I gotta put some glue behind it.
Yeah, we gotta put glue behind it. Oh, this is gonna look so much better. It already looks better with the top piece back on. I'm just hoping it clips in properly because I don't know if it's...
The bottom's not fit.
Yeah, you can hear it.
No, you can see it.
Yeah, right here. So I don't know what we need to do to make it clip.
Yeah, but I don't want you chipped the corner of the glass.
I didn't chip the corner of the glass. That was you.
Yeah.
We were able to get the moldings in. The top molding was kind of tricky. There's a little bit of gap right here, but I think just pushing it down a little bit might help. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I know it wasn't a very eventful video, but it's just little things that I wanted to put out, you know, trying to make this car better. I also have brakes and some replacement parts for the BMW to get it ready for Drift Nirvana, which I believe is gonna be sometime in March. So I wanna get that car ready. I wanna fix the e-brake, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever else you guys wanna do. Follow me on Instagram at Distraction Garage. Follow me on Instagram at Distraction Garage. I post up a lot of little fun clips here and there of the car, and I hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys. I'm out.